Whoa, it's just too hot to use the oven today. How about use the microwave? We're going to melt 2/3 cup of butter in the microwave. I'll start with 30 seconds. I'm using a pie pan, but you could use a 9x9 cake pan. Spray it with a little cooking spray. While I'm waiting for that, I'll measure my cup of sugar, get my eggs out. I check the butter. It's not quite melted. I stir it and give it another 30 seconds. And now it's hot, so we're going to be cooling it off by putting the sugar in it. 1 cup of sugar. And that will kind of help cool that butter down. Just warm, so it's good to go. I'm going to use a teaspoon vanilla. And let's crack my eggs into something other than the final pan so we don't accidentally get shells in there. 2 eggs. Mix that thoroughly. Now for the dry ingredients, I'm just dumping 1 cup of flour in there, and all the rest of the dry ingredients will go on top of the flour before we start to stir again. A 1/2 teaspoon baking soda right in the middle of the flour. 1/4 cup of regular hot chocolate cocoa mix. And then this is regular baking cocoa. I need a 1/4 cup. Now that's all our dry ingredients. And we just start stirring that into the wet. We want to make sure it's fully mixed. I'm adding a 1/2 cup of pecan pieces, but you could leave that out. You know, some people don't like nuts in their brownies. We're going to put that into our prepared pan. My friend Jan calls these drop-by brownies, because if somebody drops by and you want to give them a treat, then you can make them that fast. And her daughter said to her, "Mom, people don't just drop by." Well, they used to. Then just kind of smooth it around so that it's all as level as we can get it. Now, even though that looks yummy and I'd love to just lick my finger, it does have egg in it, and you're not supposed to eat raw eggs, so we're not going to do that. Put our brownies in the microwave. Because different microwaves are stronger than others, we'll have to just set the time for 4.5 minutes and then check to see if they're done. They may need more time than that. Gonna check, see how it looks. Okay, we're gonna test it with a toothpick. Still a little gooey. Let's go ahead and microwave it another minute. I stuck that with a new toothpick and it's coming out clean. Now the hard part is waiting just a few minutes for it to cool enough to eat. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@iowamom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.